Hi, fifth graders. Happy Monday. I am clearly not in the room with you. I am home. I am sick. I did test positive for COVID on Sunday, so I will be out for a couple of days here. Feeling okay. Plus, Mac is pretty excited about it. Mac means you get some extra snuggles, so he is happy about that. He's watching out the window, of course. So today you do have a sub. Tomorrow Miss Miller will be in for me. So first of all, hi sub, thank you so much for stepping in. You guys today are working on natural resources, primarily renewable versus non-renewable energy sources. Now I know this is something you've worked on a little bit in the past, so hopefully today is more of a review for those upcoming science MCAs. So your first task after watching this video is to complete this worksheet. I did ask that our sub kind of read aloud our article here. I'm okay if students want to take turns reading as well, up to the sub on that. Then the questions are going to be on your own. You should be able to find all of your answers in your article here. So if you need to go back and reread, relook at things, that's just fine. That's what it's there for. Please make sure to put your name on it, throw it in that turn-in tower when you are done. Now, when you're done with that, the first thing I'm going to have you do on the Chromebook is a little different. This is actually not at all science related, and it's music related. So Miss Worth wants to know kind of your interest for next year with music. So when you are called by your table number by the sub to go get your Chromebook, you're going to grab your Chromebook number, please, and thank you. Then you'll go under week 30. Yes, we're at week 30 already. And go to number 1 music survey. That's the first thing I want you to do today. So when you open up this link, it'll have a couple questions here from Ms. Worth about your interest in the music program next year. It's probably going to look a little different than it does this year. So you can just click on next, make sure that your email is shared here. Then it's going to ask you a couple of questions. Sorry, my internet at my house is a little slow. Oh, there we go. Choir may be offered during boost time. Would you like to take choir during boost? Yes or no? And then you click next. Are you currently in band? Yes or no, and I would not want to join next year. So you're not in band and you don't want to join band next year. You want to stay not in band, or no, but I would be interested in joining next year. Then you can click your answer. Then music appreciation. Music appreciation is a non-performance course. All those who are not in band will be taking this course. So by non-performance, what they mean is you wouldn't have like a choir concert or a band concert. Music appreciation is a non-performance course, so you wouldn't have like a show to put on. All right, and that's it. So that's your first task. As soon as you're done with that, number 2 on here is a natural resources ed puzzle. Yes, it is with Dr. Jeff. As always, they have really cool experiments within that video. So please make sure you grab a set of headphones, make sure that you answer all the questions, and you get that done second. If you have time, I did post a new MobyMax for you on natural resources. So it should be posted on the top of your assignments list. And it again is called natural resources. So first things first, you're going to do your worksheet here. Again, you or the sub are going to read aloud. These questions are done on your own. That means I should not hear fifth graders talking to each other during that time. Then you're going to do your music appreciation survey. Then you're going to do your ed puzzle. And if there's time, go straight into MobyMax with your new topic. Now, I did ask that the sub, whoever it may be, let me know how it goes. Are there students I need to talk to upon my return? Just know that if a sub does write down your name, that yes, you will be getting a parent email home, but you will also probably not be invited to participate in the Rocket Boot Camp, the next upcoming one. So sub, please make sure that you get the names of any of your hooligans that might be not following expectations. So thank you so much again for stepping in for me today. This is clearly not planned. So I am hoping to just be back Friday and feeling good by then. So miss you all. Take care. Be kind to one another. Be kind to our sub. Just do the right thing. Just do your job. You can do it. I have faith in you. Bye. Goodbye, Mac. Goodbye.